Hi everyone. In this series, we will explore the life stories of famous people from around the world, such as Queen Elizabeth II, Albert Einstein, Nelson Mandela, Michael Jackson, and so on. You can learn about their life stories in just a few minutes while also improving your English listening and reading skills. Let's dive into the Learn English Through Stories series now. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, born on August 29, 1958, in Gary, Indiana, was an incredibly talented singer, songwriter, and dancer known as the King of Pop. He was the eighth of 10 children in the Jackson family. His father, Joseph, was strict and pushed his kids to succeed. His mother, Catherine, had her own dreams of being a musician. Michael started singing at just 5 years old. The Jackson 5. By the time he was a preteen, Jackson became the lead singer of the Jackson 5, a group made up of him and his brothers. They became famous in the late 1960s with catchy songs like I Want You Back and ABC. Michael's strong voice and lively performances made them very popular. Solo career begins. In the early 1970s, Jackson began his solo career while still with the Jackson 5. His first solo album, Got to Be There, came out in 1971, and he had his first big hit with the song, Ben. He continued to release albums like Music and Me, 1973, and Forever, Michael, 1975. Off the Wall and Rise to Fame. Jackson's big break came in 1979 with the album Off the Wall, produced by Quincy Jones. This album mixed pop and funk and included hits like Don't Stop Till You Get Enough and Rock With You. It received great reviews and helped him become a serious artist. The Thriller phenomenon. In 1982, Jackson released Thriller, which changed everything. The album had 7 top 10 hits, including Billie Jean, Beat It, and Thriller. It won 8 Grammy Awards and became the best-selling album ever, with over 66 million copies sold worldwide. The music video for Thriller, directed by John Landis, featured amazing visuals and dance, including Jackson's famous moonwalk. After Thriller, Jackson released Bad in 1987, which was also a huge success with 5 number-1 hits. But during this time, he faced personal challenges, including an accident while filming a Pepsi commercial that injured his scalp. In the early 1990s, he showed his caring side by co-writing We Are the World, a charity song that raised millions for those in need. Controversies and Allegations. Jackson's life took a difficult turn with allegations of child abuse in 1993. He denied the claims, but the publicity affected his career. He settled a civil lawsuit but continued to face accusations. In 2005, he was tried for similar charges but was found not guilty. Family life. Jackson's personal life was complicated. He was married twice, first to Lisa Marie Presley, daughter of Elvis Presley, from 1994 to 1996, and then to nurse Debbie Rowe from 1996 to 1999. He had 3 children, Prince, Paris, and Blanket, Prince Michael Jackson II. Jackson was known to be a protective father, trying to keep his kids out of the spotlight. Death and legacy. On June 25, 2009, Jackson died at the age of 50 from an overdose of a strong sleeping drug. His doctor, Conrad Murray, was later found guilty of involuntary manslaughter for not taking proper care of him. Jackson's death led to widespread sadness among fans around the world. His impact on music, dance, and popular culture is still felt today. He received many awards, including 13 Grammy Awards and induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Today, Jackson's music continues to inspire people. His albums, music videos, and performances are celebrated, and he remains a symbol of creativity and talent in the entertainment world. His life story is a mix of amazing talent, great success, and personal struggles, making him a lasting figure in music history.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.